As you all know, today is raining very heavy, and look at the streets. This is New York City. It's flooded. Got a lot of water. It's barely impossible for people to walk because of the waters. And right now is in the afternoon, and the kids are usually in school. It was almost 4 o'clock, so the kids just come out from school or they're about to go home. As you can see, the water here is low, so this is where you can walk, and then you should be careful watching your step. And look at that, the water is small, but you look at the other side, the water covered the saddle.